Hey, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I was recently sent this project for a review, and I told them the only way I'd review it is if I could give them an honest review. So they said, sure, go ahead, just tell us what you think. So in this product, it's a Saker mini electric chainsaw. I believe it's like 4 inches right here. And this is all that came in the box. We have the 2-page owner's manual. We have the saw itself. It has the blade around here, just like a chainsaw. Battery charger. Battery. No, that's the battery. This is the battery charger. It's just the barrel type that plugs in to right here. So then this plugs into the wall. We have some oil, a little bit of oil for the blade. Little bitty cheap Phillips head screwdriver and a wrench for tightening your chain up right here. So this battery, 20 volt, 1.5 milliamps. Saker on the side has a push button release right here. So when it's in the saw, you just, well, I'll just show you. When it's in the saw this way, just push the button and it comes out very easy. Okay, the saw itself, like I said, I think it has a 4-inch blade, somewhere in that range. The blade cover, off and on switch. Have to push in this little button right here for it to turn on. Pretty comfortable in the hand. You can see I don't have huge hands. I don't have little baby hands either. I guess they're mid-size. So, little guard right here for your fingers. The motor's on this side. Plenty of air holes, ventilation. Got a strap for your hanging on your wrist so you don't drop it. So, let's see how handy. Oh, this oil. Instead of having a reservoir for your oil, you have to actually oil the chain itself, which isn't very convenient, but it is what it is, right? We're going to give this thing an honest test and review and come back later and tell you if we like it or don't like it. So stay tuned. We had a limb over at a friend's house, and she had a limb fall in her yard, and she thought this would be perfect for picking up or cutting up those branches on that limb. But if you see a difference in hands, that's what it is. So we're going to go ahead and get this started and come back to you later. Okay, this limb right here is approximately 2.5 inches. Let's see how well it goes through here. Pop it up on my leg right here a little bit. See the diameter of the tree compared to the saw itself. So that's about 2.5 inches. Went through with no problem. See this? Mm-hmm. As you can see, Diane is having no trouble with this little mini chainsaw. So if you're a woman and you're a little skeptical on using this, she's showing you how easy it is to use. She's making spaghetti out of these tree limbs.
Easy as that.
Now I'm going to try to convince her to come over here and cut one of these bigger pieces so she has an idea of what it's like cutting the bigger one. So here she comes over here and she's going to pick one out. There we go. Very easy.
Yeah.
So this is the Saker mini chainsaw. Good for a man or a woman. I'm not going to say to let a child use it, but good for a man or a woman. Easy to use. Pretty powerful. Well, powerful enough to cut through these 2.5-inch limbs I've broken. So